Okay, here we are again at the straw bale experimental garden. As promised, it is 4 days later after the last fertilizing of the bales. Back out here to stick a thermometer probe. Yeah, that's right side up. So we're back out here to stick a compost thermometer into these bales and see how warm they're getting, if at all. Well, it's not super exciting. It's only up to about 60 degrees Fahrenheit. And I've got the probe roughly 12 inches in the surface of the bale. Was hoping for a lot more than that. It may turn out that we need to add a lot more nitrogen to these bales. They should be heating up quite a bit more. Okay, interestingly enough, this other bale is quite substantially warmer. This bale here, so far we're up to about 96 degrees. Okay, well, the compost thermometer seems to have settled right around 110 degrees. It's 12-14 inches in the bale. So I'll take the camera loose here and take you over and show you that. Let's see, here we go. It's hovering right about 110 degrees. That's where it stopped, more or less. So, check a couple of these other bales and we will see how they're progressing. They're warm on the inside because the probe is warm. They're just not, they're not cooking like I was hoping they would be. So we've got a bale over here that's got the thermometer probe in it right now. The probe is settled at around 98 degrees Fahrenheit, so I want to say it is probably almost 55 to 60 degrees warmer inside that bale right behind me there than the outside air temperature right now. Honestly, I don't know how I'm going to plant in that bale because this probe, it's about a 1/4 inch diameter probe, and it's difficult to get this stuck into the bale. So I'm not sure how I'm going to jam a trowel in and put a little dirt in a hole and throw a seed in it, but something will happen. We'll get a drill or something. We'll make it happen. The needle's rising pretty good, going through 85 degrees, so hopefully we get another good 100+ reading on this one. It's cold enough out that the indicated temperature on the thermometer dropped clear back to about 70 degrees, so it's taking a little bit of time for it to pop back up in the bale. Well, here it is. The vaunted bonus footage. I thought I'd come up here and check the big round hay bales I've got cooking. I was here a week ago and flipped these over with the tractor. They sat all winter, the other end pointing up to the sky, collecting rainwater. They heated up pretty good, most of them did, and I put some more urea on them when I flipped them. So I flipped them and put it up on top, and then we took a pretty good rainfall on them. So I'll check the temperature on these. If we get a good, exciting, hot reading, we'll get some footage of that. It's cold enough out here right now to make your nose run. I'm not sure what the difference was, but sure enough, the next bale down the line is cooking right up there in the 150 plus degree Fahrenheit range, which that ought to be roasting all the weed seeds and anything else that's inside that bale, which is what we want. That's what we're shooting for. I may have to drag a couple of these bales down and add them to the lineup and try a squash or something like that in them. See if I can grow something in a hay bale, since the straw bales won't heat up. All right, checking the fourth bale in the lineup down there. This first bale here never did, the needle on the thermometer never did get up to, it didn't even get up to 90 degrees. Not sure what the deal is. Anyway, the bale that I'm looking at down there now, it climbed up. I'll grab the camera here, take you down there and show you where we're at inside that bale. It's fall over a stick. It's good and hot in that bale. As you can see, that's reading above, if you can read that, it's reading over 150 degrees, about 152 it looks like. So the inside of this bale is smoking. I want to put my hand over this darker spot here. You can feel the heat really rising up out of that bale. That's where I stuck one of the bale forks through it to pick it up. But anyway, so yeah, this bale's really cooking. We'll check these other two down here at the end of the line. Something's different about this one at the end of the line. The needle's dropping there. So this bale is, I don't know, for some reason or another, it's not as hot as those two next to it. Looks like maybe about 82 degrees. Check it in another spot. Nope, it's cooling down. It's even cooler. Looks like maybe it's heading towards 70. I don't know. Don't know what the difference is. Mother Nature's got her preferences about stuff, I guess, and we just go along with that. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great day. It's about a week and a half after I made the last video. Well, the first video you saw, the part one. Back out here sticking the bales again. Getting a little better results tonight. This one's up to almost 100 degrees on the inside. I think it was in the 90 range the last time I stuck it, which was 5 or 6 days after I made the episode 1 video. We're almost 100. It's a gorgeous night out here. Gorgeous night. Kind of chilly, but we're starting to warm up finally. Oh yeah. This bale's starting to cook now. I guess all it needed was a little bit of time. Starting to look pretty good.